In this Java tutorial, I will show how we can write to a text file. I need a BufferedWriter class to write to a text file. When I call the class, the necessary package is automatically imported. I will create a memory area using the new keyword. I will send an object from the FileWriter class to the BufferedWriter class. I can create a FileWriter object using the new keyword. I will send the path of the text file to the FileWriter class. You can find path of the file using this method. I need try and catch blocks to use the FileWriter class. I can write using the write function in the try block. There is no data in the text file. I am running the application. No data could be written to the text file because we didn't close the file after writing. I can close the file with the close method. The writing process was successful. But even if the program runs again, the turtle code isn't rewritten. I activate the append feature. Thanks to the append feature, the turtle code text is added to the text file as the program runs. Finally, I want to show the new line method. When you write a text to a text file using the new line method, you can move the cursor to the next line. In this way, you can print text one under the other. I recommend you to watch the following Java tutorials.